Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. We are in week 3 of slow cooker month in celebration of my new cookbook, Fresh Flavors for the Slow Cooker. And today we are making another recipe from the book, and this is a classic. We are making a slow cooker beef chili. But this is not any ordinary boring chili. This chili has a rich, robust flavor thanks to a few secret ingredients. So I grew up in the Midwest eating a classic ground beef and bean chili, and that's what we are going to make today. I know there are as many chili recipes as there are states, but this version is the one that speaks to my soul. I took my mom's classic recipe and I've added a bunch of ingredients to elevate it. Sorry, Mom, I hope you're not offended by that. The result is just the most delicious meal for a cold, blustery day. Obviously, for football season, you gotta make a pot of chili, but this is also a weeknight favorite in our house. I can't wait to share the recipe with you, so let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my family-friendly, easy, delicious, and naturally gluten-free recipes. Just a reminder, if you click that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Let's start by prepping the aromatics. These vegetables are going to give the chili a lot of flavor and add a little bit of nutrition as well. So dice up an onion, carrots, garlic, and a jalapeno pepper. You can get a jump start on this recipe and actually do this a day or two in advance. Just store them separately in the fridge. Next, brown 2 pounds of ground beef over medium-high heat. I know a lot of us just want to dump everything into the slow cooker, but if we do that, we are going to end up with a really greasy, heavy chili, which is not what I'm going for. So a little bit of prep work can go a long way, and you can even do this step a day or two in advance as well. Once the meat is browned, scrape it into a strainer set over a bowl, and that way we can get rid of all of that fat. Now in the same skillet, don't bother washing it. We're going to saute the onion and carrot, season it with salt and pepper. Just give this a couple of minutes to soften, then add the garlic and the jalapeno pepper. Let those cook for about another minute or so until it smells amazing. It is time to assemble the slow cooker. So scrape those veggies into your slow cooker. Add the drained beef. And now for the secret ingredients. We are using fire roasted diced tomatoes for extra flavor. Strained tomatoes are going to give the chili body. Beer is going to lend a pleasant bitterness. I'm using a gluten-free beer since I can't eat gluten. Next, we have a touch of maple syrup for some of that smoky sweetness. Some soy sauce. Again, I'm going gluten-free. This is going to provide some umami backbone to the chili. Then we have canned beans. I'm using black beans today, but you could use any beans you like. A chopped chipotle chili for more spice and smoke. A mixture of spices, chili powder, ground cumin, and oregano. And last but not least, some cocoa powder. This adds richness and complexity. To the slow cooker, add 1 28-ounce can or 2 14-ounce cans of the fire roasted tomatoes, a cup of strained tomatoes, a cup of beer, 1 can of drained beans, a chopped chipotle chili, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, that spice mixture, and last but not least, the cocoa powder. Season this really well with salt and pepper. Stir it all up to combine. Cover the slow cooker and let it cook for 6 to 7 hours on low or 3 to 4 hours on high, depending on your slow cooker. They are all different. Now give the chili a stir. Your house will smell incredible at this point. Season it really well with salt and pepper. And now, my friends, this slow cooker beef chili is ready to serve. Set out your favorite chili toppings. I go for shredded cheddar, sour cream, sliced green onions, and diced tomatoes. And I serve these with my cheddar jalapeno muffins, which are amazing with the chili. I'll be sure to link to that recipe below. You can either ladle the chili into serving bowls or just leave it in the slow cooker and let your family and friends help themselves. It can stay in the slow cooker on warm for a couple of hours, so it is perfect for parties. This is really a crowd-pleasing chili. It's not too spicy, so kids love it, and of course, adults can spice it up as much as they want. I definitely recommend making these jalapeno cornbread muffins. They are perfect for dunking right into the chili. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like this slow cooker beef chili recipe as much as I do. You can get the full recipe at the link below. I will also link to my new cookbook, Fresh Flavors for the Slow Cooker, if you want to pick up a copy. There are a ton of other slow cooker recipes in here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.